Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English podcast. I am James. I have a question for you. Do you sound like a robot? When you speak English, do you always use the word very? I am very happy. It is very good. She is very sad. It is very big. There's nothing wrong with very, but if you use it all the time, your English sounds flat. It sounds boring. To sound like a native speaker, you need precision. You need words that paint a picture. Today, we are going to upgrade your vocabulary. We will delete very from your mind and replace it with 50 advanced adjectives. We will go from very good to outstanding, from very bad to terrible. We will use our double repetition method. I will say the strong sentence. I will ask you to repeat, and then I will say it again, with power and emotion, right before you speak. If you are ready to stop sounding basic and start sounding brilliant, please press the like button. Let's upgrade your English right now. Thank you. Let's start with happiness and excitement. Stop saying very happy. Use these instead. I'm thrilled with the news. Repeat. I am thrilled with the news. She was delighted with the gift. Repeat. She was delighted with the gift. We are ecstatic about the trip. Repeat. We are ecstatic about the trip. He was overjoyed to see us. Repeat. He was overjoyed to see us. I feel elated after passing the exam. Repeat. I feel elated after passing the exam. Now let's go to the opposite, sadness and anger. Stop saying very sad or very angry. Express your true feelings. I was devastated by the news. Repeat, I was devastated by the news. He is heartbroken about the breakup. Repeat, he is heartbroken about the breakup. My boss was furious with the mistake. Repeat. My boss was furious with the mistake. I am irritated by the noise. Repeat. I am irritated by the noise. She feels miserable with this cold. Repeat. She feels miserable with this cold. Let's talk about food and taste. This is essential for travel. Stop saying the food was very good. Be a food critic. This pasta is delicious. Repeat. This pasta is delicious. The dessert was exquisite. Repeat. The dessert was exquisite. The soup was bland and tasteless. Repeat. The soup was bland and tasteless. That smell is disgusting. Repeat. That smell is disgusting. This curry is mouth-watering. Repeat. This curry is mouth-watering. Mouth-watering means it looks so good your mouth produces water. Now, size and scale. Stop saying very big or very small. The building is enormous. Repeat. The building is enormous. We have a massive problem. Repeat. We have a massive problem. Yach. The spider was tiny. Repeat. The spider was tiny. The details are microscopic. Repeat. The details are microscopic. The house is spacious. Repeat. The house is spacious. I want to pause here. We are learning fancy words. I want to know, what is your favorite word in English? Is it a simple word or a complicated one? My favorite word is serendipity. What is yours? Tell me in the comments below. Welcome back. Let's talk about temperature. Stop saying very hot or very cold. It is scorching outside today. Repeat. It is scorching outside today. The water is boiling. Repeat. The water is boiling. It is freezing in this room. Repeat. It is freezing in this room. My hands are icy. Repeat. My hands are icy. The weather is mild today. Repeat. The weather is mild today. Now, let's describe people and personality. Stop saying very smart or very funny. She is absolutely brilliant. Repeat. She is absolutely brilliant. He is a hilarious guy. Repeat. He is a hilarious guy. The teacher is very knowledgeable. Repeat. The teacher is very knowledgeable. They are generous people. Repeat. They are generous people. He is quite stubborn. Repeat. He is quite stubborn. Let's look at beauty and cleanliness. Stop saying very beautiful or very dirty. You look gorgeous tonight. Repeat. You look gorgeous tonight. The view is stunning. Repeat. The view is stunning. The kitchen is spotless. Repeat. The kitchen is spotless. My shoes are filthy. Repeat. My shoes are filthy. That is a hideous dress. Repeat. That is a hideous dress. Hideous means very ugly. Be careful with that one. Now, let's describe experiences and situations. Stop saying very interesting or very bad. The movie was fascinating. Repeat. The movie was fascinating. The lecture was dull. Repeat. The lecture was dull. We had a terrifying experience. Repeat. We had a terrifying experience. The noise was deafening. Repeat. The noise was deafening. It was an exhausting day. Repeat. It was an exhausting day. Finally, the most important category, general good and bad. Stop saying very good. Use these to sound enthusiastic. The performance was outstanding. Repeat. The performance was outstanding. That is an incredible idea. Repeat. That is an incredible idea. You did a superb job. Repeat. You did a superb job. The traffic was terrible. Repeat. The traffic was terrible. This situation is awful. Repeat. This situation is awful. Congratulations. You just replaced 50 boring words with 50 powerful ones. Remember, you don't have to use these words every time. But when you want to make an impact, when you want to show emotion, use furious instead of angry. Use exhausted instead of tired. Listen to this video while you commute. Let these advanced adjectives become natural to you. If you are thrilled with this lesson, please subscribe to Talk Easy English Podcast. We are here to make your English outstanding. Thank you for learning with me. I am James. Be brilliant, be bold, and keep talking easy. Goodbye.